After scoring his 100th century over a week ago in an Asia Cup match against Bangladesh, Sachin Tendulkar returned home to much fanfare and celebrations. Industrialist Mukesh Ambani threw a lavish party in the honor of the legendary cricketer at his residence on Pedder Road in South Mumbai on March 26. The who's who of the city's literati was in attendance. We bring you an exclusive footage of the ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, and friends, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Tonight is truly special. We all witnessed history on 16th of March. This evening, our celebration is to celebrate that for our dear Sachin. In honoring you, we in fact honor ourselves. And friends, a big applause for Sachin. Friends, you just saw my husband making this prediction in 2009. Sachin, you remember that? Trust me, he has this habit of making these larger than life predictions and then indirectly makes everyone strive and achieve it. Sachin, you have made the impossible possible. In spite of all the difficulties that have come your way and have made Mukesh's prophecy come true, you are God-gifted and God's gift to India. You are born to create centuries after centuries. And a century of centuries is the ultimate one. A big, big congratulations. Before knowing you, Sachin, I was a part of that 1% of Indians who knew nothing about cricket. But after Mumbai Indians and working with you closely, I am now one amongst the 1 billion Indians who think cricket is a religion and Sachin their God. And now can expertly advise the Indian cricket team. But Sachin, in my expert opinion, your unbeatable partnership has been with Anjali. She has been your true life partner. Thank you, Lata Didi, and thank you, Chief Minister Ji, Prithviraj Chavan Ji, for gracing this occasion and making it even more special today. And now, I call upon a very good friend with whom I've had a complete blast planning this evening. Please welcome the gorgeous Priyanka Chopra. PC.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to talk about what happened to me and how I am here. Neeta ma'am called me up about a day and a half back and said, Priyanka, will you host this event? I said, sorry, host this event? I thought I just have to come here, look pretty, enjoy myself and celebrate Sachin's 100. Host this event. Okay, the first question that came into my head, because of the fact that that would happen to any girl, is what am I going to wear? So I called up Neeta ma'am at 12 o'clock last night, midnight, okay, and said, Neeta ma'am, आपकी इस बड़ी सी आलीशान पार्टी में, आपके इस बड़े से घर में, आपके इस बड़े से वार्डरोब में से मेरे लिए कुछ छोटा सा निकाल के दे देंगी आप? So here it is, ladies and gentlemen, my very own Mumbai Indian sari. Tonight is such an awesome night, such an amazing night. And it is Sachin Tendulkar's night. Please, can we hear it for our very own superhero? So just to impress you, I've prepared a little bit, and just a little bit. Pan kripaya, chuk jali tala maaf kara. Okay, that was correct, na? All right, I've written it just in case I miss it. Aho Sachin Rao, tumhala chendu martana bagte, tal mara kahitari hote. And for all those people who didn't understand the Marathi, it means, Sachin sir, when you hit the ball really like that, very far away, mujhko kuch hota hai. कुछ कुछ होता है अंजलि, तुम नहीं समझोगी. सर विवियन रिचर्ड्स ने कहा है कि सचिन तेंदुलकर इज 99.5% perfect. Well, Sir Vivian, sir, sorry. I would like to say that now after this 100th, Sachin is 100% perfect. And going from perfection to perfection. For someone who is known in the film industry as Mr. Perfectionist himself, can I please call upon the incredible Aamir Khan?
Amazing, man. Proud of you. Yeah. I can never resist telling the story. I was shooting for a film at CCI, right? Yeah. And I was shooting there for a film. It was evening time, and the Indian cricket team had come there for nets. Ravi, you were there. I don't know whether you remember this. And I was talking to the seniors, you know, and while talking to them at the nets, there was little 14-year-old boy playing on the nets. And I was thinking, यार ये बच्चा कैसे घुस गया इंडियन टीम के नेट्स में यार? तो मैं देख रहा था, and I couldn't help but observe that the bowlers who were bowling to him, they were like really bowling serious stuff, and he was really middling the ball and really stroking it well. And while I was talking to all these stalwarts in front of me, I couldn't help but ask them. I said, "Who's that kid who's, you know, playing so well?" He said that his name is Sachin, and he might be in the Indian team. And that is the first time I saw Sachin, and I was like, I remember, you know, even in that small little moment, I remember just seeing him and just being like really, you know, awestruck. And at that point, he had not been selected in the team yet. And what is amazing about you is, I mean, you've done so many achievements. Now the 100th. But through all of this, you've been such a wonderful human being, and that's really amazing. You know, your simplicity, your conviction, your courage, the grace with which you conduct yourself, the grace with which you approach life, approach your game, approach your family, approach your fans. You really make us proud in every way, not only as a cricketer, but as a human being. And that's what I find really amazing about you. Yeah. You know, he's like the collective pride of every Indian. And so what you do is you bring so much joy to people's lives, and you bring so much pride to people's lives who perhaps, you know, in their own way may not have that much to feel happy and proud about, but just your, you know, what you mean to all of us and to everyone across the board. You bring so much pride in the way you play the game, in the way you conduct yourself. I remember early 2000s, you know, Mukesh, you predicted in 2009. And Mukesh, you know, is amazing in everything. But here in this place I've beaten you, Mukesh. Because in 2009, you predicted this. But I predicted this the day that Sachin scored his 50th 50. And I called Sachin and I said, Sachin, 50 to ho gaya abhi, to I'll congratulate you when you do your 100th 100. And he looked at me with a lot of disbelief, and he looked at me with a lot of fondness. Ke yaar, bichara, he doesn't know what he's talking about. Aamir ko cricket to aata nahi. 50 मुश्किल से हुआ है, मुझे बोल रहा 100 करो. So he was being gentle, and he was like, yeah, thanks and all that. But I really meant it. And I don't know whether you took it seriously or not that day. I mean, on your face there was disbelief. But you've done it. It's amazing. You've really done it, and you know, we're also proud of you here. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. And you've really made yourself so strong that the one above also checks with you what you like and give you what you want. You're blessed. Thank you, Sachin.
सचिन जी की तारीफ सबने की, कौन नहीं करता है. आज पूरा भारत उनकी तारीफ कर रहा है, बल्कि दुनिया, और वो उस तारीफ के काबिल हैं. मेरी और सचिन की बहुत मुलाकातें नहीं होती हैं. मेरे ख्याल से मैं आज तक 4 या 5 मर्तबा मिली हूँ. पर मुझे सबसे पहले एक मुलाकात याद है कि मैं श्रीमान राज ठाकरे जी के यहाँ घर गई थी। सचिन की बर्थडे आती है 24 अप्रैल को और मेरे पिताजी की पुण्यतिथि आती है 24 अप्रैल को ही। इसीलिए हमने 3-4 दिन पहले ही उनको मिलने का प्रोग्राम बनाया और मैं राज ठाकरे साहब के घर गई और वहाँ सचिन जी से मेरी बातचीत हुई। कुछ लोग वहाँ आए थे जो वीडियो लेना चाह रहे थे और मैंने उनसे कहा कि आप ज़रूर ले सकते हैं। मुझे कुछ सवाल पूछे उन्होंने, मैंने जवाब दिया। सचिन जी से जब पूछा गया कि आप लता जी के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, तो उन्होंने क्या कहा आपको मालूम है? अपनी माँ के बारे में मैं क्या बोलूँ। जब बीच में बात होने लगी कि सचिन को अब रिटायर होना चाहिए, खेलना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि वो 100 भी नहीं बना रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, तब मेरा दिल बहुत दुखी हो जाता था कि इस तरह क्यों हो रहा है। पर उन्होंने करके दिखाया कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ। मुझे ये भी लगा था, मैंने उनको कहा अभी कि मैंने सोचा था कि आप वाकई रिटायर हो जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, लोग सोचेंगे कि 100 बनाए और रिटायर हो गए, मतलब अपना नाम रखने के लिए। तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा, मैं रिटायर तब हो जाऊँगा जब मुझे खुद लगेगा कि मैं अब कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तब मैं जाऊँगा। तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये 100 जो है वो 1000 करें और हम लोगों की इच्छाई पूरी करें।
मी जसं तुम्हाला बोललो की तुम्हाला आईचं स्थान दिलं आहे आणि मी तुमचा मुलगासारखा आहे, तर तू जहाँ जहाँ रहेगा।
मी आता खूप जरा एक्साइट झाले त्यामुळे आवाज चालेल की नाही माहिती नाही। तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा, मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया।
Mr. Virat Kohli, would you like to say anything about Sachin? You're constantly being compared to him.
Well, he's the reason why I started playing cricket. Like me, I think most of the youngsters in India started playing cricket because of him. And it's just a great honor and privilege to share the same dressing room with him. I remember when I was small, my only dream was to just see him in real life. And now I'm getting to play with him, so I couldn't ask for anything more. And to get to know him personally is just, the best thing ever for me.
I'd like to just second what Virat said, which was Sachin was the reason a lot of us started playing cricket. And Sachin was also the reason we all very quickly realized that we can't be Sachin. So we should stop playing cricket and attempt something a bit easier in a field where we're not going to be compared to something like acting. All I want to say to Sachin, from a son's point of view, I know Arjun very well. I play cricket with him. And I hope I'll be here when Arjun scores his 100th 100, because I'm pretty sure he's going to follow in his father's footsteps and make his father very, very proud. So Sachin, as a father today, all the very best, because I think you're going to have to be here and think of something witty to say when your son is here, scoring all those centuries. So I'd like to dedicate this evening to Arjun and Sara, the beautiful Sara. Needless to say, we all had a lot to do with your 100 100s, of course, because every Indian cricket fan believes that, we wore the same clothes, we sat in the same position, ate the same food, which is what I did throughout the World Cup. And we all had a very big part to play in you scoring your 100 100s. It was only because of our prayers, our superstitions, that you have managed to score 100 100s. And on this momentous day where we're celebrating your 100th 100, I just want to say thank you for giving us hope. Thank you for giving us a reason to watch cricket and believe that we had something very little to do with your great feat. We all now know that it's entirely your doing and not ours, but thank you for occupying us and giving us a great reason to fulfill all our latent desires of being cricketers. And you make us immensely proud. And you know, with all so many other great cricketers sitting in this very room with us, I'm pretty sure they'll all say the very same thing, that you have given us such a wonderful reason to just walk with pride down the street and say, I'm an Indian, the country where Sachin Tendulkar is from.
आपने अपने डबल स्ट्रैप वाले पैड्स दिए थे सचिन सर को, correct?
Yes, those were special lightweight leg guards. The pair of those leg guards were lighter than one of the regular leg guards. Wow. And I used to wear them because I believed in singles, running ones. But Sachin was only hitting boundaries. So anyway, I met him and he said, thank you, sir, thank you for giving me the leg guards. And he actually gave me a thank you card. And so in that thank you card, he had his name put down, Sachin R. Tendulkar in brackets. So I said to him, Sachin, you know, I think you must sign this. When autograph books are looked at 50 years down the road, 70 years down the road, people should be able to recognize whose signature it is.
Should be able to read it.
Read it. I said, have you seen Don Bradman's signature? Have you seen Vijay Merchant's signature? And he said, yes. So I said, you can recognize the signature. So I think maybe you should, you know, do it. So 50 years down the road, people will be able to say, that is Sachin Tendulkar's signature. I don't know whether he remembers that. But I am now asking Rohan, because Rohan is living there now, I'm asking Rohan, can you please find that card? Because just imagine how priceless that card would be. But the time when I thought that he would really go on to get these hundreds or more hundreds was when he got 100 at Perth. He made it look so simple. He was so on top of everything. His balance was fantastic. And I think it's the balance on the field and balance off the field, which is why he is in this position today.
So from the best opener in cricket to the best opener in films.
Good evening. I hope, मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि ये रिकॉर्ड टूट जाए, इसे बहुत जल्द कोई ना कोई तोड़े, क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड बनते हैं टूटने के लिए. मैं आमिर का रिकॉर्ड बहुत देर से तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, टूट ही नहीं रहा है. जब मेरे क्रिकेट खेलने की उम्र थी, मैं यूं खड़ा रहता था, दुबला पतला सलमान खान, RG's स्टूडियो 29 में. सचिन, तारीफ सुनने में कैसा लगता है यार? एक ऐसे कभी फील होता है, हाँ चलना यार, पता है, इनफ यार, आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ. नो सीरियसली, हाउ इट इज टू हियर तारीफ. जो आमिर ने मिस्टर परफेक्ट तारीफ की, अब मिस्टर इम्परफेक्ट तारीफ कर रहे हैं, वेरी इम्परफेक्टली तारीफ कर रहे हैं. फील्स गुड. अरे बोलो तो सही. मुकेश, आपने प्रेडिक्ट किया, उसके पहले आमिर ने इनको काम पे लगा दिया कि एक और 50 बनाओ. अब सभी जब काम पे लगा ही रहे हैं, आपका तो प्रूफ है, आमिर का कोई प्रूफ नहीं. तो एक 200 हो जाए क्या बिड़ू? 100 बन चुके हैं, सिर्फ एक 100 और बनाना है. कितना टाइम लगता है यार? बट ये सुना है कि सचिन के रिकॉर्ड तोड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. और ये डॉन नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूं. बोल भी सकता हूं क्योंकि मेरे फादर ने लिखी पिक्चर. राइट्स तो लिखने के उन्हीं के पास हैं. अमित जी ने पिक्चर की है, तो इतना तो हक बनता है. सचिन, क्या लगता है आपको कि कोई आपका रिकॉर्ड तोड़ पाएगा? क्या लगता है आपको, तोड़ पाएगा? सीधे सीधे बोलना, नहीं तोड़ पाएगा.
आई थिंक इसी रूम में बैठे हुए हमारे यंगस्टर्स,
चांस ही नहीं.
मुझे नजर आ रहे यंगस्टर्स, बिल्कुल
कौन
कर सकते हैं. विराट एंड रोहित आर द वंस. एज लॉन्ग एज कोई इंडियन तोड़ता है, आई डोंट माइंड.
आप बच गए हो कि मैं RG's स्टूडियो 29 में घूमता फिरता था. नहीं तो आज मैं ही बोल रहा था, मैं ही बैठा था, और मैं ही ये सेंचुरी बना रहा था. Thank you very much. God bless you, Sachin. Very proud of you, man. Love you.
May I call upon the man of the moment who has the gift of looking much further than any of us ever can, who knows exactly what is going on and what he wants, somebody I admire and look up to tremendously. Please welcome the man of his word, the ever so charismatic Mr. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani.
I think it's a lovely evening. All of us are celebrating history. And I really, from the bottom of my heart, wanted to thank each and every one of you. This is our celebration together. And this is a celebration which proves to us that if an Indian learns from Sachin, every young Indian can achieve and follow his dreams. And Sachin, this is a very young country. You are not yet 40, and 2/3 of this country is less than 35 years old. And what you have done for this country is made sure that every young Indian follows your path of passion, perseverance, and never give up. Have your same courage that whatever difficulties you face, you will raise higher goals for yourself. And above all, have and believe in the human and the family values that you see. Just like you're a champion in the world, there will be champions in industry, in science, in technology, in sports, in religion, and in really all walks of life. And then we will have a 21st century India that we can all be proud of. And I thank you really for showing the way to India, Sachin. The meaning of Sachin in Sanskrit is purity, and the meaning of Sachin in Latin is precious. And for all of us gathered here, you are purely precious, Sachin, for the whole of India.
Well, I really don't know what to say when you call me Sachin sir. I just changed my hairstyle thinking that I might look young, but no, it doesn't work. My respected seniors, thank you so very much for coming here all the way and making this evening special for me. Dear Mukesh Bhai and Neeta Bhabhi, thank you so much again for arranging this evening at such a short notice, and all of my dear friends turning up such a short notice and making this evening really a memorable one for me. I don't know honestly what to say, because whatever I've seen so far, everyone has spoken on Sachin. I really don't know whether I should be speaking on Sachin or not. But for a small boy from Bandra who just knew to hold a cricket bat and smash the ball as hard as possible, to the journey to my 100th 100, I've come across many important people in my life, right from my first coach, Ramakant Achrekar sir, to the last coach, Duncan Fletcher, and then right from my school cricket team to the Indian cricket team. I think without all their contribution, my journey wouldn't have been the same. So I want to take this opportunity. There are many, many players here from Indian cricket team and Mumbai Indians. I want to take this opportunity to thank them for all the contribution. Last year has been really, really tough. From 9900s to 100th was a mega journey for me, and I guess for all of you. Sorry about that. It was beyond my control. I tried my best. But during that journey, somebody who's really played the most important role is standing here next to me. Along with my in-laws here, my family, my mother is at home, and the two little precious things in my life, my daughter Sarah and my son Arjun. I don't know where he's hiding, but both of them, and my really, really close friends are sitting in this room, who at no stage showed or expressed any pressure, any frustrations. I thought everything was going normal. We don't discuss cricket. We have better things to talk. We've got family things to talk about, and in fact, nobody knows in this room or rather anywhere, but my daughter had already congratulated me 5 months ago that, Baba, well done for your 100th 100. And I said, where did you see that? He said, no, my friends were talking about it, so that is the biggest proof that we don't talk cricket at home. But anyways, at least I've managed that, Sarah. Oh, she's sitting there. All right, I've done it. So now you can congratulate me. 20 years of international cricket. We celebrated when Mukesh Bhai and Neeta Bhabhi organized a get-together where you saw Mukesh Bhai predicting that, the next step is 100 international hundreds. I don't know, Mukesh Bhai, what you have in store for me now. I better keep myself in shape. I'd like to believe that there is some cricket left in me. God's been really kind. I feel I'm blessed, and I value every little moment that I've spent on the field. It's been a huge learning process, and one never stops learning. And in fact, when I scored my 100th 100, and at one stage, the Bangladeshi bowler came and bowled a maiden over to me. I told Virat was batting with me, and I said, this game is a cruel game. It teaches you, and it makes sure that your feet are on the ground, you don't have a swollen head. With all these compliments showered upon me, I just pray to the God that gives me strength to keep my feet on the ground and not have a swollen head. Once again, thank you very much. It means a lot to me. I just said that I've lost 50 kilos after scoring my 100th 100, but your compliments have sort of shaken me up a bit again. But I really mean it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much for turning up here. And Mukesh Bhai and Neeta Bhabhi, thank you very much. And again to my dearest wife, thanks for all the support. Thank you very much.
अभी तक जब आपने प्रेडिक्ट किया है वो तो सच हुआ ही है. आज शाम की प्रेडिक्शन क्या है?
Sachin, you have no option. अंजलि के लिए 1 सेंचुरी तो जल्दी करो. I think that this picture, Sachin is really telling the whole world, and this won my heart when I saw him on TV. Of course, on that day, this is all our time of annual reviews. So a lot of people were happy that at 4 o'clock we stopped all annual reviews in March. And
I interrupt you once. After that 20 years of celebration, whenever I scored 100, I was on 88 hundreds, I remember precisely. Whenever I scored 100, Mukesh Bhai always called up and said, we are getting closer to our target. And thank you so very much for the support.
So I really don't have to make a prediction. You've decided yourself that as a son of India, you will serve India. And Priyanka, his best is even yet to come. So you watch him serve India.